Meat can be a valuable part of a balanced diet, offering several nutritional benefits. Protein. Meat is an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and supporting immune function. Vitamins. Meat, especially red meat, is rich in B vitamins, particularly B12, which is important for nerve function and the production of DNA and red blood cells. Minerals. Meat provides essential minerals like iron, zinc, and selenium. Iron from meat is in the heme form, which is more easily absorbed by the body compared to non-heme iron from plant sources. Creatine. Found in meat, creatine is important for muscle energy production, particularly in high-intensity exercise. Healthy fats. Certain meats, particularly fish, contain healthy omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health and brain function. It's important to balance meat consumption with other food groups and choose lean cuts to minimize saturated fat intake.